Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into a fun and aromatic project that will elevate your space. Yes, we're making a unique air freshener using water beads and essential oils. Let's get started. First up, let's prepare our water beads. Grab some of these little gems and soak them in water. Follow the package instructions for the best results and watch them grow. It's like magic. Look at those beauties. Now that our water beads are ready, it's time for the fun part. Adding our favorite essential oils. You can choose any scent you love. I'm going with butterfly pea for a calming effect, but lemon or eucalyptus work wonders too. Just add a few drops to the beads. Can you smell that? It's heavenly. Now, let's display these colorful beads. Find a cute bowl or jar and pour in the beads. You can even add a bit of water to keep them hydrated and enhance the scent release. Look how pretty that is. And there you have it. A stunning air freshener that not only smells amazing, but also adds a pop of color to your decor. If the scent starts to fade, just add a few more drops of oil to revive it. I've reused empty containers from gel air fresheners, and they fit perfectly in any bathroom. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more creative ideas. Happy crafting, and keep your space smelling fresh.